Write the D pentatonic scale. Rule number 1, write the numbers. Since the pentatonic scale has 5 notes plus an octave, we're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a 1. Rule number 2 is write the intervals. We have a whole step. Between 3 and 4, we have our 1.5 step. Then we have a whole step. And between 5 and 1, we have our second 1.5 step. Unlike the D major scale, where we would write all the notes from D to an octave D, we're now going to write each note as we analyze each step. Let us begin with D. We need a whole step. D to E is a whole step. Therefore, we're going to write E on the staff. We need another whole step. E to F sharp is our second whole step. So we're going to write F with a sharp. Now we need a whole step and a half. F sharp to G sharp is a whole step, but we need another half step, so we land on A. If we were doing the D major scale, the 4th degree would be G. Notice we're skipping the G and going straight to the A of the D major scale. Now we need another whole step, A to B. So we're going to write B as our next note on the scale. And here's our second 1.5 step. Whole step B to C sharp, then a half step D. This is how we check our work. We started with D and we end with D. Once again, if we had a D major scale, we would have the 4th degree G and the 7th degree C sharp. But those degrees are omitted in the D pentatonic scale. And what we have is D, E, F sharp, A, B, D for the D pentatonic scale. And this is how it sounds.